Hello, guys.
Donna Lisa with Zoda Info here. We have an unboxing. We have an unboxing. It was in the mail. It came from Niagara Falls. I got it off Etsy. Um, it came from Niagara Falls, New York. What I'm thinking is that the seller lives in Canada and somehow drove it to Niagara Falls, New York, because we would get coins from Canada and the person would drive it to New York and go to the United States Postal. But look at this. I got some handles for the kitchen cabinet. And this is it. I'm going to show you what I got. Oops. I hate when this. I cannot keep a good charge. I'm on this phone so much. And just cannot keep it. These are already wrapped up. But look, I got 12 of these. These are going to be the handles on the kitchen cabinet. And my cabinets are going to be black and gold. This is a brass. This came from a seller. I got 12 of them, including tax. The shipping was free, of course. It was $263. And you may say, oh, that's kind of, because I have champagne taste and no money. I used to say beer money, but I don't have beer money and I don't drink. But I have champagne taste and no money. So when I saw the cabinets, they're almost large enough to have as door pulls. But these are going to be the handles for the cabinets. Um, you know, on my cabinard cabinets. So what I think I'm going to do is that I need an Allen to put the microwave, and my sink is going to be in the middle of the floor. The kitchen is small. The stove I showed you guys was 24 inches. That's going to be between the two cabinets. And the cabinets are going to be, everything in the kitchen is going to be black and gold. Guys, I promise you, please stick with me. I like black. Black is the shade black. Black is my favorite color. Um, I'm not a fan of blue, and I hate turquoise. Turquoise is the worst color. I do not like yellow. Here's the thing. I got so many colors in there. I'm a brown person. I like brown. But I got so many colors in this that I envision in this house. The house is tore to hell. It was a hoarder's house that I am going to renovate. It is going to be difficult for the money because I have two houses and one detached garage. So you guys want to stick around and see where it's going on because I'm in my 50s and I've got to do work. I've got to do some work. But I'm getting colors. I'm doing some things. Colors I've never brown, tan, bone, everything in the brown family. Um, Getting colors. I've incorporated now where I want green in the living, in the dining, in the den. And when you're, I guess when you're renovating a house, you don't want it so self customizable, like where it's custom to you that you can't sell it, that you can't go back out and resell your house if you need to. But I think you should not do anything crazy, but I think you should pick the house the way you want it to so you can be comfortable there. Yes, it's a residential home, but I do not plan on I do not plan on living there. I plan on working out of the home, and if I'm asleep, I can go in one of the bedrooms. So it will be quite interesting for you guys to stick around and see what I'm going to do. Underground supper club where people can come out of the garage. The garage is small, it's 500 square feet. I think we're going to extend it to like 750 square feet, but make it like a little restaurant. And the houses, the second house will be residential. The first house is going to be like a residential home and an office. And you know, people are working out of their house ever since COVID, what has happened with COVID. But yes, these are the door pulls. Stick with me. I'm going to do, uh, it's going to be DIY, home renovation, home remodeling. It's going to be thrift shopping, Habitat of Humanity, Goodwill Shopping, Salvation Army, Antique Mall, vintage shops, Savage Yards, wherever it is that I can get product and save the product. And then I'm going to tell you how I'm doing it. Um, we'll talk about that because what I'm doing, people are like, you shouldn't be doing it like that. But when you don't have any money and you're dealing with contractors, they can't wait on you to go get a toilet or go get a tub or go get a sink. Some of those things, when you have a complete renovation, you need to have at the house. Now, I have half a fence up. We'll talk about that and maybe I'll show you half a fence. That was $10,000. But I was quoted $48,000 for the front of the fence and the wood fence to go all around. So, you know, guys, I have cement, I have wood, I have all of these things. So just stick around, stick around with me. Patronize the channel, stay with me. But yeah, these are the vintage handles that are going to go, and they're heavy. You see, they're going to go on the cabinet, I think is the name of it, cabinets that I got for steel and had to take them off the property immediately when I got that. That's a whole nother story. But this is what I got. I'm very pleased with it. Very, very pleased. So this is, so I would say one, two, three, four, five, six drawers on each side. What's in the center island. Some I'm going to have some wine and liquor cabinet over the thing, blah, 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 blah. I think I have all the cabinets. I have all the pools. I may need a couple of more. I don't know. But I'll kind of will do something a little different from the same seller. But I'm very pleased with this. This was a good purchase. $263. I think that's a lot of money for pools. And when you can get some for like 20 for $39 or $49. But look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. That is beautiful. And I got to shine it up. But this is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love it. And let me see what we have here. And I have the others in the bag because they're wrapped. I'm going to wrap them. And I'm going to, that's nice. And I had he sent little screws with them. So if I could do something different, like little buttons